Hey, what's going on, all you wonderful people out there? Incr3dibl3 Funk back again with another unboxing video. It's been a little bit of time, but hey, it's well worth it. I'm going to start a little bit of a different style as far as unboxing, so if you guys do like the style for this video, let me know in the comments below, and I'll keep doing it. What I'll be unboxing today is going to be the Teracube One smartphone from Teracube. If you're not familiar with them, they are a startup company that posted on Kickstarter and Indiegogo to basically raise money to make a smartphone. But the thing with this smartphone itself is that it has a 4-year warranty, and that basically means that they will replace the battery, the camera, the screen, anything internal and essentially exterior they'll replace for you. And that's only because they're trying to essentially save the environment, so it's more eco-friendly instead of upgrading every 1 to 2 years like most customers do. I've seen pictures and videos of it. The device itself doesn't look that bad, but finally being able to have it in hand and actually being able to review it and unbox it is going to be a hell of a lot of fun. Otherwise, you know what? Let's just get to it. Alright, so starting off with the box, it does look like it is biodegradable, which is a nice add-on to it, so thank you, Teracube. Yeah, it looks like you can recycle it right there with that icon. There's nothing else to the box. Teracube's logo is right here on the front, which is nice. So let's go ahead and open up the box. Ooh, making this a struggle here. Thank you. Set that up to the side. Alright. Upon further inspecting the device, looks like you do get a case and a screen protector on it automatically. It's actually pretty neat. Don't mind the little bubble there that they kind of added on. Hey, it is what it is. Free screen protector automatically with the device. Further inspecting the case, it seems to be super flimsy. Obviously, if you do end up dropping the device, this probably isn't going to be as protective as, say, like a different case itself. But hey, it's going to do the job just to kind of keep the phone as safe as possible. Looks like this. Let's go ahead and tear off this cover too. The back of the device is glass, which is nice. Fingerprint scanner right there. Dual camera setup along with a LED flash. It's great. Ooh, Teracube's logo. It's nice. Alright, so let's put the phone off to the side and see what else we have in the box. Teracube. Oh, thank you. Dear customer, thank you for your support. Without you, we wouldn't be able to bring Teracube to life. Let's get this open, out of the way. Oh, hey. Looks like a tempered glass screen protector is also in here too. Oh, a SIM card remover. Oh, that's not bad. Okay. I'll take the tempered glass. I will take that all day. I prefer tempered glass, to be quite honest. It looks like wipes for getting it on. So this looks like a power block right here. If I'm not mistaken, it's a 5-watt block. Yeah, I believe it's a 5-watt block. Yeah. Type-C cable. I'm liking that. It's not too bad. More Type-C cables to add to my collection. And then I don't know what this last portion is right here. Are these headphones? They look like they're headphones. Ear tips. Let's get the box out of the way. Yep, so you do get headphones with these. Obviously I don't know how they sound. I will definitely check that out. So we're gonna get back to the device and we're gonna kind of look all around it. Let's get the case back off again. Alright, so at the bottom, you're looking at USB Type-C, 2-speaker grill. One of them is most likely on the right-hand side, so in all reality we're looking at 1 speaker. Front-facing camera, which I believe is 8 megapixel. I'll get to that in a sec. I'm liking the red accent color on the side. The body itself reminds me a lot of the iPhone 6 and 7 and 8. Mainly the siding, the chassis itself. I do like that. Headphone jack on top, along with a microphone up here too. Alright, so we're going to boot this up, and we're going to see if there's any skin or anything on the actual device itself. So I'll see you guys in a sec. Alright, I have everything loaded up here. The screen size is coming in at 6.2 inches. It is going to be full HD plus with a resolution of 1080 by 2280. Also, internal, you are getting a MediaTek P60 processor, so it is in that mid-range area. It's an octa-core processor running at 2 gigahertz. You also are getting 6 gigabytes of RAM and internal storage of 128 gigabytes. So again, what Teracube is trying to do is they're trying to keep the phone running for as long as possible so you don't have to upgrade, which is why the RAM is so high and which is why the internal storage is so high. As far as that goes, the battery is coming in at 3400. It is on the lower end, especially for this screen size, but again, longevity wise, Teracube is going to be looking to replace the battery for you if it does come down to that, if it does start to go out. As far as the camera portion goes, you are looking at a 12 megapixel camera along with a 5 megapixel depth sensor. As far as pictures go, we'll go ahead and check and see how that runs. Good thing I have a few guys here. Go ahead and scan Pikachu or take a picture of Pikachu, see how this runs. See how the pictures come out. Upon further inspecting the picture, it doesn't look that bad. I like it. Again, since this is more of a mid-range device, don't expect the photos to be something on the premium handset end as far as like the Samsung Galaxy S20 goes or the iPhone 11 or anything like that. But I do like the camera quality so far. Of course, in my full review, I will have more pictures and go from there. As far as the front-facing camera goes, the quality doesn't look that bad considering, again, it is 8 megapixel, but when you zoom in and everything, you can see a lot of noise going on, which is to be expected. So we're going to go ahead and test the fingerprint sensor out and see how quick that is going to be. Alright, so I have the screen off. Let's go ahead and test that fingerprint sensor to see how quick it is. It is on the slower end compared again to other devices such as my Pixel 3 XL, whereas it is just about instant. Let's place it again. To most people that won't be a big deal, mainly because yeah, it does take time to get into it, but hey, fingerprint sensor is going to be a lot more secure than obviously just a pattern or a pin. So overall, I do like the device so far. Of course, with further testing and an actual review coming up, it'll allow me to dwell into it more and see how it actually performs day to day and everything like that. Again, the only drawback right now is going to end up being if you don't have the case on it, it's going to be a fingerprint magnet. It is what it is at the end of the day. It's kind of how it is with glass back phones that are already out there. Other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed the unboxing video. If you did, leave a comment, hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay incredible. Damn, this is real good. Love me a new camera. Thank you.